Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have picked up a couple of items from eBay, and so I thought that I would share with you guys what I got. I am opening this from the bottom because I want to show my address and I want to take time to check it off. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I thought that this looked so good online, and it did not disappoint. You can tell the richness of this leather online, and so I got a pretty good deal. I want to say this, the person wanted more, but they went down to like, I think $100 on this. Super, super cute. I think they're asking $125. Super cute. Love it. Okay. So let's see if I can. This drawstring is kind of tight. Okay. So somebody did love this. So super cute, but I'm going to condition it. All right. But look, at the inside is really nice. It's not dirty. I'm gonna do a little wipe out, of course, but you got a slip pocket here and then a zipper pocket here. I wonder what year this was. You got the two pockets up here. We got the key keeper, very nice. And we got the serial number back here, right there. Very, very nice. Very good quality. And it's not all worn out on the bottom. Very nice. Somebody took very good care of her. And I do like the strap. The strap is nice. The hardware looks good. I'm happy with this. Super, super cute. All right. I love this leather. And she's going to get a good conditioning, but she is perfect the way she is. All right. So that is my first eBay purchase. And then I have another one I'm showing you guys. All right. I opened it upside down. This is different than what the person envisioned it was going to be open. So, I thought that this leather looked really good. Really, really cute. I'm happy for this one too. I think this one was less than that one. I want to say I paid about $75 for this, but I will check that out. Now, this one might need a little bit of cleaning, but it was the leather that attracted me to this one. Very, very nice, smooth. I'm guessing this is Florentine leather. Really nice. And the bottom does not look bad. A little something there. And then let's look at the strap. Nice. The hardware still looks good. Super cute. And then this drawstring is not as tight. So we can take a look at here. So we got the big slip right, well, the big slip is in the back. So you got the two slips up front in here. And then the big slip back here with the branding. And then you got the zipper pocket back here. What's back here? Looks like there's something in here. A money order receipt. Somebody didn't look in here. Now this would be a cute charm. I don't know what this went to. I guess I'll contact the person and see if they want it. But if they don't, that'd be a cute charm. And then somebody's money order receipt. All right. Okay. I guess they forgot to check that pocket. All right, but the inside looks really good. It does need a little cleaning. We got the key keeper. I like that I can pull the bottom out to clean it. So we got the Dooney Bourke label with the serial number. Right. So I am happy with both of these purchases. Y'all can tell me what you think. There looks to be a little bit of wear right here. But I am going to condition this leather, and it'll be super cute. I got two drawstrings. Y'all are probably like, okay, somebody was in the drawstring. But that is what I picked up. And y'all can tell me what you think. And I will talk to you all later. Bye.